Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger chats deleting automatically. So if your chats on Messenger keep disappearing or deleting on their own, here are the most common fixes you should try. So first, check if disappearing messages are enabled. So open the chat that keeps deleting messages. Click the person's name at the top. Scroll down and go to Privacy and Support, and you'll see disappearing messages in there. So tap on it and turn it off if it's enabled. You can also check for vanish mode and just tap on it. If it is turned on, please turn it off. So when these settings are turned on, messages can auto delete after a timer expires. Now, for the next one is to check archive chats. Sometimes chats are not deleted, they're just archives. So tap on menu at the bottom right and click on archive. So you'll see all your archive conversations in here and just restore the conversation. So to restore it, swipe it and click on unarchive, just like so. Now for the next one is to update Messenger. So outdated version of Messenger can cause message sync problems. So close Messenger app and go to Play Store or App Store. Then look for Messenger and you can update Messenger app in here if available. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.